How to unlink phone number from Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In this video I will show you how you can unlink your phone number from Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to unlink our phone number from Snapchat, if I open Snapchat and then I tap on the gear icon from the top right, I go to my mobile number. Here you can see that I do not have any option to remove my current phone number over here. So what do we do in this case? Now first, you want to just come back and then just choose the option called logout and then sign out of your current account. Once you sign out of it, choose the option called sign up, which is at the bottom, and then create a new Snapchat account. So I'll just go ahead and then create a new Snapchat account. Enter your first name and the last name, tap on sign up and accept. Choose your own birthday, tap on continue. Enter the username, tap on continue, and then set a password for yourself as well. Once you set a password for yourself, tap on continue option again, and as you do that, it will ask you to enter your email address. So I'll just go ahead and then enter the email address, then tap on continue option. Now it will ask you to enter your mobile number. So here what you want to do, you want to simply enter the number that was associated with your original account. So over here, just make sure to enter that exact number which was used in your original account and that you want to remove them. Now once I add my number, I'm going to tap on continue. And as I tap on continue, it will ask you to verify with the confirmation code. Verify the code as well. Now I'm going to skip it. Now you can see our old phone number has been now added to this new account. Now what we want to do is I'm just going to skip all of this as well. And then if I come to my profile page, I tap on the three lines, you can see our phone number has been added here. Now this is our dummy account. Now I'll just log out of this account. And once I log out of this account, what I will do is I'll just log into our previous account. So I'll just log into my previous account over here. Once I just log into my previous account and then I tap on the camera icon from the top left, I tap on the gear icon on the top right, you can see our mobile number has been removed. If you want, now you can add your new number if you would like. Now what this does is that when we linked this current phone number to a new account, that phone number was basically removed from our main account. Now if you want, you can delete your dummy account if you want to, because you do not need that account, and for that we already have a dedicated tutorial. You can search them up in our channel. Hope this video helps you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.